Welcome back to Fiscal Fold. Your most valuable asset, your brain, is about to become obsolete. We are approaching the cognitive cliff, a point where human intelligence can no longer compete with the exponential growth of AI. By 2028, 90% of traditional roles will be unemployable. This isn't a transition, it is an elimination. Today, we expose the end of human-only labor. The fundamental problem is one of speed. Human intelligence is linear. It takes us 20 years to produce a functioning adult mind. AI intelligence is exponential. It doubles its capacity every few months. We have reached the point where the curve is now near vertical. The algorithms aren't just getting better, they're learning how to learn. The distance between human capability and machine capability is now a canyon that cannot be crossed. In the previous decade, we used computers to store information. In this decade, the computers are using that information to synthesize new reality. The collective knowledge of humanity has been ingested, analyzed, and automated. If your value is based on what you know, your value is now zero. Knowledge has been commoditized. The system no longer needs knowers, it needs directors. Most people are still trying to be knowers. Welcome to the edge of the cognitive cliff. This is the point where the cost of human labor exceeds the cost of AI labor for almost every cognitive task. From legal research and financial modeling to medical diagnosis and creative design, the AI is now faster, cheaper, and more accurate. The institutions are looking at the math, and the math says you are an unnecessary expense. The liquidation of the professional class has begun. The traditional education system is the first victim. We have an entire generation that has taken on trillions in debt to acquire skills that are being deleted in real time. A degree used to be a signal of rare value. Today, it is a receipt for a system that is fundamentally broken. If the knowledge you paid for can be accessed by a free prompt, you haven't bought an asset, you've bought a liability. The cognitive cliff is filled with overeducated, unemployable individuals. The first wave of obsolescence is hitting the safe professions. The middle management, the entry-level analysts, the content producers, any role that involves taking inputs and following a set of rules to create an output. These roles are being deleted first because they are the easiest to define and code. They are the low-hanging fruit for the AI eraser. If you can define your job in a paragraph, an AI can already do it. Look at the modern office. It is becoming a ghost town. The people haven't left yet, but their value has. They are sitting at their desks, performing tasks that a hidden algorithm is already doing in the background. The corporations are keeping them for now to avoid social unrest, but the budget for their replacement has already been approved. They are the transition team for their own obsolescence. The era of the human-centered corporation is over. The divide is no longer between capital and labor. It is between augmented intelligence and biological intelligence. The AI elite are those who have figured out how to use silicon to multiply their brainpower by 10,000. They are the digital gods of a new era. The underclass are those who are still trying to compete with their own biological limits. In a race against a machine that never sleeps, the human brain loses every time. The psychological shock will be profound. For centuries, our self-worth has been tied to our utility, to our ability to work and provide value. When that utility is taken by a machine, what remains? The system wants to keep you distracted with cheap entertainment and government stimulus, but it cannot replace your agency. The loss of economic value leads directly to the loss of individual power. This is the ultimate goal of the cognitive cliff. You cannot hide from this change. You cannot vote it away, and you certainly cannot ignore it. Your only option is to evolve. You must stop being a worker and start being an architect. You must move from the path of the employee to the path of the owner. The next 5 years will be the most volatile in history, but they will also be the most rewarding for those who choose to integrate. It's time to upgrade your hardware. In this series, we're going to give you the masterclass for the AI age. We've exposed the cliff, but the next part is about the bridge. In the next part, we will explore the AI integration strategy, the specific steps to build your own personal AI stack, achieve extreme leverage, and secure your place in the new upper class. This is the knowledge that determines your side of the divide. Stay with us. The window is closing, but the opportunity is still there. You have the map. Now, you need the strategy. The era of human-only labor is over. The era of the augmented elite has begun. I'm Shah. Reclaim your leverage. I'll see you in part 2. The divide is already here. You are either the director of the machine or you are its next target. In the first part of this series, we expose the cognitive cliff. Today, we reveal the AI integration strategy, the specific, high-leverage playbook used by the new elite to stay ahead of the curve and build massive wealth in the intelligence age. The fundamental shift is the move from doing to directing. In the previous era, your value was in your output, the reports you wrote, the code you produced, the designs you created. In the AI era, those outputs are commoditized. Your value is now in your architecture. You are the conductor of an orchestra of algorithms. The better you can harmonize these tools, the higher your leverage and the greater your wealth. This is the era of the one-person multinational. Through AI, a single individual can now access the infrastructure and the intelligence that used to require a corporate headquarters and 1,000 employees. You can build global systems, manage complex supply chains, and deliver high-end professional services from a laptop. The traditional bottlenecks of scale have been deleted by the machine. Efficiency is the new capital. The first step in your strategy is building your AI stack. This isn't just a list of bookmarks. It is your private workforce. You need a core stack for language, for visuals, for code, and for automation. These tools don't just work for you. They work with each other. By connecting these models, you create a self-reinforcing loop of productivity that never sleeps and never makes a mistake. You are building a cognitive asset. Look at the workflow. An augmented architect uses AI to research a market in minutes, generate a product prototype in hours, and launch a marketing campaign in days. Tasks that used to take months are now performed in real time. This speed isn't just an advantage, it's a weapon. In a world where the machine is accelerating, those who can direct the machine are the only ones who can keep pace with the market. Your leverage is infinite. Let's talk about the math of leverage. If you spend 1 hour directing an AI that produces 40 hours of high-quality work, you have 40x leverage. But if you spend that same hour designing a system where multiple AIs work together autonomously, your leverage becomes 10,000x. This is how the new elite are pulling away. They aren't working harder. They are building more powerful levers. Your income will be determined by the size of your lever. The AI elite are ghosts in the machine. They move silently through industries, identifying inefficiencies and deploying their stacks to capture the value. They don't need permission to start, and they don't need funding to scale. They are the permissionless owners of the new economy. While the underclass is managed by algorithms, the elite are the ones who are writing the prompts that direct the world. Ownership is the only cure for serfdom. This shift is causing the death of the middleman. Any industry that exists solely to facilitate information or follow a standard process is being liquidated. If you are a broker, an agent, or a consultant who provides standard advice, you are in the path of the AI eraser. To survive, you must move up the value chain. You must provide the high-level strategy, the creative vision, and the human trust that the machine cannot replicate. Be the director, not the facilitated. Look at the new hierarchy. On one side, the millions who provide commoditized labor. On the other, the few who own the systems of intelligence. The balance of power has shifted fundamentally toward ownership. To thrive in 2030, you must acquire the assets of the new era. This means owning your data, owning your compute, and owning your AI stack. You are not building a career. You are building a dynasty of leverage. The opportunity is unprecedented, but it requires a radical commitment to mastery. You must become a lifelong student of the machine. You must learn the language of prompts, the logic of systems, and the ethics of augmentation. The 2030 reset is a cognitive filter. Those who pass through it will inherit the earth. Those who don't will be rendered economically invisible. The choice to master the tools is the choice to be free. We've explored the cliff and the strategy. Now, you need the concrete, step-by-step roadmap to execute this integration in your own life. In our final part, we will provide you with the AI Elite Playbook, the exact 5 steps to build your stack, identify your niche, and secure your place in the new upper class before the curtain falls. This is your final manual for the intelligence age. Stay with us. The old world was built on human muscle. The new one is built on digital leverage. The reset is coming, but your sovereignty is yours to claim. I'm Ayan Shah. Reclaim your future. I'll see you in the finale of the AI Elite. The divide is final, but your position is still a choice. You don't need a PhD in computer science to join the elite. You need a playbook. Today, we provide the exact 5-step roadmap to upgrade your cognitive hardware and achieve ultimate financial freedom in the AI age. This is your final manual for the Great Divergence. Your transformation starts now. Step 1. Execute a cognitive audit. You must inventory every professional task you perform and find its AI substitute. If a task can be described in a set of instructions, it is ready for automation. Your goal is to move from worker to architect. Stop doing the tasks and start designing the prompts that do them for you. Reclaim your time by delegating the mundane to the machine. Step 2. Build your core AI stack. Select the big 4 tools for your niche. One for complex reasoning, one for visual creation, one for code generation, and one for workflow automation. Master these tools until they become an extension of your own mind. You aren't just using software. You are building a private, high IQ workforce that operates at the speed of light. Your stack is your superpower. Step 3. Identify your personal monopoly. Use the skill stacking method to find the intersection of your unique human experience and your AI leverage. Don't be a generalist. Be the world leader in a niche of one. Build an audience around your unique perspective and your augmented productivity. In the digital economy, attention is the gold and authority is the currency. On your niche. Step 4. Automate the value chain. Connect your tools into an autonomous business engine. Build systems that find customers, deliver value, and collect payments while you sleep. Use AI agents to monitor the markets and optimize your operations in real time. You are moving from trading time to owning systems. This is the exit ramp from the 9-to-5 trap and the beginning of true financial sovereignty. Step 5. Commit to the 1% loop. The AI landscape changes every single week. To stay in the elite, you must be a lifelong student of the machine. Spend 1 hour a day reading, experimenting, and upgrading your stack. Stay in the loop of high-level creators and architects. The Great Divergence is not a single event. It is a permanent race. Your mindset is the only asset that cannot be automated. Protect it. Look at the horizon. This is the life of the augmented elite. A life where your creativity is amplified by infinite leverage, where your ideas become reality at the speed of thought. While the underclass is managed by code, the elite are the ones who are writing the future. You have the map. You have the tools. Now, you must have the courage to lead. The 2030 reset is your birthright. Claim it. The cognitive cliff is a warning for some, but a launchpad for you. The next 5 years will be the most transformative in history. Don't wait for the system to tell you what to do. The system doesn't know. You are the pioneer. You are the architect. You are the new upper class. Take the playbook, build your fortress, and secure your place among the digital gods. The era of the owner has begun. Go build your legacy. The reset is happening in real time. Look closely at the data. See the patterns. The institutions are leaving you behind because they have no choice. But you have a choice. You have the leverage. You have the intelligence. And now, you have the playbook. The Great Wealth Reshuffle is the opportunity of a lifetime. Position yourself correctly, and you will never have to seek permission again. The future belongs to the architects. This series has been a masterclass for the new era. We are building a community of augmented individuals who refuse to be obsolete. We are sharing the tactics, the tools, and the mindsets required to thrive in the intelligence age. If you are ready to stop being a participant and start being a director, this is your home. Join the vanguard. Reclaim your future. This is Fiscal Fold, and we believe in your comeback. This concludes the AI Masterclass. If this series has changed your life, show your support by hitting that subscribe button and turning on all notifications. We have much more to explore. Share this finale with the person you want to see at the top with you. Comment Elite below if you're executing the playbook today. I'm Ayan Shah. Invest in your sovereignty. I'll see you in the next series. The old world is gone. The new one is yours to own. Don't look back. Look forward. The dawn of the augmented individual has arrived. I'll see you on the other side of the divide. Goodbye for now from Fiscal Fold.